on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to, boy, that wind. Woo woo. Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another walk around. I got to jump into this because I got 20 minutes to knock out this next video for you guys. So let's jump into it with number one on my list, a massively hail damaged 2015 Chevy Impala. That's right, the big boy, the last of them before Chevy killed them off because nobody wants big cars anymore. I don't believe that. I would still love a big old Impala like this. I love these cars, man, I really do. I'm not sure what's going on with the wheels. I guess those are stock? You tell me, I don't know. Personally, I don't care for the shiny chrome. It just doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. The car is dark with, you know, some like stainless steel, but not really chrome. I think that just looks bad. It's got 102,000 miles on the odometer. She's got hail damage like a mug, guys. I mean, serious hail damage everywhere. But that doesn't make it a bad car. It's just a bad car to look at. Your neighbors will not appreciate you parking this in the driveway and bringing their property values down, which may encourage you to buy this car. It's probably a great running and driving, reliable vehicle that'll get you wherever you gotta go, and you get the added benefit of pissing your neighbors off at the same time. It sounds like a win-win. Plus, you're going to get it for a fraction of the cost that you would pay for one of these with a clean title that has no hail damage at all. And add to that, the higher mileage. How could you lose? The interiors. Oh, I wish you had smell-o-vision. That smells good. That smells real good. It is so clean inside this car. Look at this. It is beautiful in here, guys. Oh, there's got to be an air freshener here. It smells too damn good. That is unnatural. It's unnatural how good this car smells. Okay, I'm going to assume it's dead because they always are, right? Yeah, they're always dead. Windshield is in pretty rough shape as well. She's going to need some work. You got an aftermarket unit in here, though. Unit. Yeah. Shut up, Beavis. Anyway, got an aftermarket Sony unit. It looks like it was professionally installed. Looks really, really good. This is a nice install right here, guys. She is a very... I mean, this is an unbelievably clean car. You got your remote control right here. Looks good as well. All right, well, you know what we got to do. What is this? Got your little iPod connector or something right there. USB in, yeah. You know what we got to do? We got to pop the hood. Oh, it's got a sub controller down here, guys. Oh, hell. You think it's still got the sub and the amp in it? Look at that. Crank that baby up. That's what you got to do. You got to crank that up. All right. Let's take a peek under the hood. Let's see what she's working with. And we'll throw a jump on her. Oh. 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 Okay, well, yeah, that's something. I should have known. I was hoping to find a 3800 V6 under the hood, right? Because that's what you would expect from a big car. You would expect a big honking V6. Instead, you get a disappointing 4-cylinder, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm not, yeah, I really am disappointed. I was going to say I'm not disappointed. Truly, I'm disappointed. That's pretty sad. Okay, here we go. I do want to know if she still has her subs and amp in the trunk. I'm going to go out on a limb and say no, but you would have thought they would have removed this as well, and they didn't. And the level controller for the amplifier is down there as well, so it may still have the sub and amps. Subs and amps. Subs and amp? I don't know because we don't know what's back there. Where is the trunk release? That's what I need to know. I need to know where's the trunk release on this thing? Hold on, let's just do this. There we go. I gotta know. Fires right up. Okay, so first things first, I don't care about anything else right now other than other than the radio. Okay, so let's turn it, let's seek, let's find a station. I hear nothing. Well, it says we have music. I don't hear anything. No! No, nothing. Okay, well, that sucks. I was really interested in hearing this thing bump. But apparently, they must have taken everything out of the trunk. They had to have, otherwise this would work. Oh, that sounded really bad, but it works. Steering feels good. We have an immediate check engine light down there, guys. I mean, instantly we got a check engine light. It goes back. It goes forward. The AC is cold. All right, well, that's disappointing. I really wanted to hear the subs go thump, thump, thump. That's what I wanted. But I'm guessing they're not back here anymore. Nope. Well, I called it. Spare tire's still there. Your battery's back there. All right, so they took out the stereo system. That figures. That's why there's no sound. Well, anyway, aside from that disappointment and the disappointment that there's only a little 4-cylinder under the hood of such a big car, listen to her purr. She really does run like a top, guys. Purrs like a kitten. Just a good little ecotech down there, minding her own business, not hurting anybody. Yeah. You could still make an honest car out of this old girl. You could. You could. You just have to get the stereo figured out, because I don't know about you, but I can't live without a radio. That is a very nice Sony head unit, though. Seriously, if they left the wires back there, throw an amp and a pair of 12s back there, man, this is nice. This is nice. You get you some speakers hooked back up, and this thing would be decent. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Think she'll start back up? Nope. Dead as a doornail. Last on my list, and we got 10 minutes to get it done. An 04 Infiniti FX45 with 198,000 miles, listed as a non-runner. As you guys know, when things are listed as non-runners, I gotta come out here and check it out for myself. Oh, okay, I missed that. Oh, crap. Well, somebody was obviously driving it like that, because they took the time to Gorilla Tape it. Oh, wow. This is buy it now for $900. It's a pedal car, and I have a hard time believing that it does. Oh my, what happened to the dash? What the hell? Hold. Okay, this just got a little more interesting. That's not a dash cover, right? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, gross. Ew. Was this on fire? Oh, man, look at this. Look at the blisters. Huh, okay. Well, this is bizarre. I mean, it looks like the dang thing had been on fire or something. Oh, boy. Okay. Yeah, $900, you can keep it. It's got some of those Hilo wheels. Hilo, I said hello. Hello. Yeah, hello. It's time to go, Randy. Hello, goodbye. 4.5 V8 under the hood. Let's get a jump pack. It's got looks like a relatively new battery sitting in it, guys. We'll go ahead and throw a quick jump on her. Let's see what she does or doesn't do. I'm inclined to believe this one probably doesn't run. Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire. Uh-oh. Get back on there. Up. Stay. All right. I'm pretty sure this one doesn't run, guys. I was thinking, for $900, what a steal, but Honestly, no, this is weird that the dashboard is so tore up like this. Uh-oh. It runs. It fired right up. For $900? Don't do it, Randy. Don't do it. You know better. What do you guys think? I mean, yeah, it is. It's ugly. For sure. But she runs. She does. Brakes feel good. Steering is good. Little exhaust leak. Maybe a little misfire. She goes backwards. She goes forwards. Air conditioning? I'm gonna bet the AC doesn't work. I'll be shocked if it does. Okay, we've got the AC on. We'll see what that does. Give her a little rev. Port and window works? Yes. Really? Really? I'm seriously shocked. Okay. Okay. Cup holders. I don't know what we got in here. Nothing, I guess. This is a bizarre vehicle, guys. You got a cassette player, CD player, heated seats. I want to know what is all over this dashboard. That's got, somebody had to have sprayed something over it. I don't know, man. If y'all know what the heck this is, please, somebody tell me. Let's go listen to the engine, listen to the exhaust real quick. The tires are bad. Oh, you know what? I forgot that it was wrecked in the back too. Oh yeah. I totally forgot about that. Never mind. Even though it runs for $900, I'm still gonna say no. No. I'm not interested. The alternator's charging though. I mean, seriously, in today's car market, right? For 900 bucks, you can get yourself something that runs and drives. All right, it's a Nissan V8. It sounds relatively good. It might have a slight miss to it, but it sounds relatively good. It runs, it goes forwards and backwards for $900. You know, a little, whew, that's more than a little, but she's got a little ding in the back there, you know. No, that doesn't open. Yeah, she's definitely got a misfire. She's definitely got a misfire. But, you know, a beater with a heater, maybe. Not too bad. Not too bad, considering it's listed as a non-runner. As far as air conditioning, no. No, I didn't figure AC would work. Yeah, maybe a coil, a tune-up or something, who knows? Think it'll start back up? No, it's dead, and we're done. Now I gotta get out of here because it's 4:28 and they locked the gate at 4:30. So someone's gonna come over here and start yelling at me. I gotta go. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. I would truly appreciate it. Until next time, stay safe out there, but I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.